The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at what happens after you submit the 48-hour hijacking form. Now, in previous videos, I've looked at how to get hold of the hijacking form, how to complete it, but let's actually look at what happens after you've submitted it. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here, and this is where we would click submit. And then we get one of two possible outcomes. And the first one is the one that nobody wants, and that is the rejection. So in other words, the team has thoroughly investigated and confirms that there is no evidence of hacking. And that is obviously disappointing, but you've got to understand that not every third-party access that we're not happy about is as a result of hacking. It could be that we've given somebody access to our Google account. Maybe it's because they scammed us into believing that they were going to do us some good. Maybe we just gave them the code for the password reset. Or it may even be that we've made them co-owner of our YouTube brand account. And all of those things are scams. They are not right, but they are not hackings. And YouTube Creator Support can only support users who have been victims of hacking, not victims of scams. So the other outcome is that the hacking is actually confirmed, and this is what this looks like. So you've got, we've heard back from the internal team and we can confirm that your Google account was indeed compromised. And then they'll give you 4 steps usually to complete. And the first one I'm a little bit on the fence about, because clearing cookies tends to remove the signal that Google looks for from a device. So it may actually be easier just to use a different browser, because this step here is supposed to eliminate any possible error messages at the back end, and you don't necessarily know that you have this problem. So try a different browser before, unless you've got several devices that you've used for this particular Google account. And then you're supposed to visit the account recovery page. Now, this is one that you'll be familiar with, but please use this particular link. Then enter your hacked Google account's email address and then answer as many questions to your best of your knowledge, or click try another way. And I'm making a point of this last one here. Try another way is likely to be your best friend, because the chances are high that when you come to this 4th step here, you will not actually be asked any questions. They were retired many years ago, and all you'll see is the hinted at hackers details to complete. Clicking try another way, there is a possibility that you'll be asked for your last password, even possibly for a contact email address, so that they can consider your request for access. If you are fortunate enough to reach this point, then please give them your original recovery email address or verification email address, alternative or even former email address for that particular Google account. Any email address that was in any way associated with the Google account before the hacker got hold of it. However, the chances are extremely high that you will not be able to complete that, because after all, it's very similar to what you've done before, and you wouldn't have completed the form if it wasn't for the fact that you couldn't take these steps. I recommend that you push back on the person who sent you the email on the email thread. Do not start a new escalation. Go back to Twitter and get in touch with Team YouTube, or even make a new forum thread. Keep at the same person who sent you the particular email confirming the hijacking. It is linked to your case ID, and it is the best way for you to let them know that you can't follow their steps. And I know it'll sound repetitive. They will push back and they'll say these are the only steps. You've got to do it. You've got to do it. You've got to do it. Be consistent, be brief, be clear. Do screenshots, record yourself trying to follow their steps. This can help in explaining to them that you are doing things right. So again, keep pushing back. Do not give up. Wishing you all the best. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.